right on it. Right to the, all right, little strip. Wait. Strip. All right, strip it in a little bit. Strip, strip, strip. Whoa. Strip. Oh my God. Damn.
What did I do? I thought it was alright.
I did too. It might have been a little bit big of a strip. I don't know, either that or she just didn't see it until it was like. That was tough. Good job. Woo! Hell yeah. Let her go. Let her go. Bounce her. There you go. Hit her one more time. There you go. Good. Hell yeah. Woo! Okay. Now let me get right on her and then put the pressure on her. There she goes. Nice. Right down her back. Down to the left. Down to the left. Let her go. Let her go. Be real. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Reel, 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 reel. Alright, raise her up again and then whoop her, whoop, hold on, make it, try and get on that clear fly line. Pull right down her back, pull back a little bit. There you go. Digging for it. Right down her back, pull right down her back. There you go. Gotta tire her out. Yeah, there you go. Keep going. Try and raise her head up. Pull up on her. Don't lock it down. There you go. Right? Reel when you can. Reel. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Up. Nice. Right down her back. Right down her back. Keep going. Pull on her. Pull on her. There you go. Pull on her a little bit more. It's alright. You got to tire her out, man. Alright. Nice. Right down her back, right down her back. Keep going. Nice. Down to the left, down to the left, down to the left. Right down her back. There you go. Nice. Right down her back. You're doing great, man. Oh, there you go. Back her up, back her up. Right down her back, right down her back. Come on. Get her all messed up. Reel, reel, reel. There you go. There you go. Get her. Get her, get her, get her. Turn her around.
Oh, man.
Nice. Down to the left, down to the left, down to the left. Right down her back. There you go. Nice. Right down her back. You're doing great, man.